Hello, I am Alen Arteaga, and then we are going to tell about technology. Okay, let's start. Technology. Technology is the science applied to the resolution of a specific problem. It constitutes a set of specialized ordered knowledge which becomes a set of knowledge about. There are many technologies that are very different from one another. Is it common they use the term technology in the singular to refer to the set of all, or also the one often the word technology can also refer to the theoretical discipline that studies the knowledge common to all technology and in some contexts to technological education. The school discipline devoted to familiarization with the most important technologies. How has technology influenced human beings? How has technology evolved? Through the history of humanity, man has used different ways of communicating, from seeing communication to communication at distance by means of advanced technological devices, throughout the development of human life. The means of communication have played an important role within tense have contributed from the beginning to bring people closer in the senses that communication and information have been increasingly facilitating. The above can be seen reflected from the invention of the radio, telephone, television, fax, cell phones, satellites, internet, among others. This means of communication placing them on timeline how a great technological evolution that has allowed to overcome barriers. Thank you.